Hello everyone and welcome to Learning with Princess Aisha. My name is Aisha and this is my channel. My channel is dedicated towards teaching and learning within a wider context. So today I'm going to show you how to support children with additional needs through a sensory activity. So I'm gonna show you how to make sensory bottles. So today we're gonna make some sensory bottles. So these are empty bottles that I have here, 3, and you can incorporate in a variety of things pertaining to the child's interest. So if they have a particular item that they like to play with, then you can by all means incorporate in a variety of textures and patterns. So today I'm using some shapes as well as some yellow paints. So to create a sensory, sensory material. And these are water pebbles. So when I add in the water, it's, it expands in texture and shape. And this is an empty bottle with some colors, so just black and then green. We're gonna, put in water and we'll see what it turns out to be. And then we need some funnel. We need our funnel and we need a jug of water. Let's proceed. So we're just gonna pour in some water, guys, into the bottle gently. Not too full. Over the lid, and if you have some sort of sellotape, you can just wrap this around and then you can shake it. Children, when they shake it, they'll see that the soluble water pebbles will be moving, and with time it's expands as it takes it takes in more fluid or more water. So this is how it looks. See, very, very soothing to the eyes to watch, innit? I'm gonna work with this one though. This is a fluorescent shape pebbles. So in the dark, it glows. So again, put water in here. This is how the bottom looks like. We're just gonna put the lid on. We're just gonna give it a shake. Just give it a good shake just to mix. This one has some sort of soap in there, so you can see it's floating from some bubbles or what have you. Again, it's a great way of children to feel textures, different texture, bubbles, water balls. There's the bottle with the color black. Just gonna shake and see. This is how it's looking like, guys. So if you have some glitters as well, you can incorporate in, so as they shake, they see different textures and what have you. So we have this one, darker color. We have this one, so all the pebbles will be able to move in. And then, but ensure that you put some sort of sellotape so that the children don't open it and end up drinking it. So, and then this one. I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to support. Thank you. Share as well.